Hi everyone.
Captain Oleg Volsky here.
Now listen up.
The Topsail Halyard Bend. It is a proper old-time sailing knot. A hitch, mind ye, and a secure one at that. The beauty of it is, the more ye pull on the line, the tighter she grips the bitter end. A right handy hitch for general use it is. Secure as a barnacle on a hull and relatively easy to tie and untie. Though she might have a few more turns than some fancy knots, she's reliable, and that's what matters. Let's go.